The demand for money. Definition of liquid assets, which can be owned and be exchanged into cash with ease, is called an asset. In the case of property, we need to sell it in order to get cash value as equivalent with the market rate. Regarding real estates, if it is sold in premature time, loss can be incurred. On the contrary, for funds, we have them in bank accounts which are invested in CDs, and thus it can be converted into cash without any complexity. These are called liquid assets. Transaction motive of holding money. We need the money only for the simple reason as it can bring the necessary goods and services for us. Between the expenditure and the receipt of wages or salaries or incomes, a difference exists. The income acts as a primary cause for the demand of money in transaction. This is affected by the factors of various levels of business activity and the type of receiving the income as well. Speculative motive of holding money. The investor or trader used to hold the cash in order to gain the best investment opportunity at the time when it arises in future. Eventually, an investor always wants to conserve a decent amount of liquidity in his or her portfolio. By discussing the speculative mode, we can show those people who tend to hold their wealth in the form of bonds or cash balances. The anticipation of the changes of the interest rates of capital value of assets like bonds basically drive the people to hold their bonds or cash balances for future actions.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.